In this module, we will connect our web forms project to a SQL Server database and perform insert, update, and delete operations using ADO.NET. ADO.NET is the foundation for data access in .NET. It helps your application connect to SQL databases and exchange data easily. First, create an employees table in SQL Server. We will use this table for all our operations insert, update, and delete. Add your database connection string inside web.config. This tells ASP.NET where your database is located. To insert data, we create a command with parameters, open the connection, execute it, and close the connection. It's simple and secure. To update a record, pass the employee ID and the new values for city and salary. The command updates only the matching row. Deleting a record is straightforward. Just provide the employee ID to identify which row to remove. To show your updated data on screen, use a grid view and bind it to a data table loaded from the employees table. Remember to close your SQL connections. Use parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection and handle exceptions carefully. Your assignment is to create a complete CRUD form for employees. Add all operations, insert, update, delete, and verify them using the grid view. In this module, you learned how to connect your ASP.NET Web Forms app to SQL Server and perform real CRUD operations. Congratulations! This is a big milestone. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find these lessons helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. You can also explore more tutorials on my channel ASP NET and SQL Academy. We also support charity work through this channel. If you wish to contribute, you can scan the UPI QR code shown on the screen or send your support to UPI ID. Your small help keeps these tutorials free, continuous, and growing. Thank you for learning with us, and thank you for supporting the mission. God bless you.